cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut chrome delete kit, but what you might not know is that Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to BogartechDesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Genesis GV80, and we're going to do the front lower bezel chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how the front bezel looks before doing the installation. And this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the entire front bezel. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire front bezel. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good to go. However, if you still have any remaining contaminants, let's say any wax, oils, grease, or any coating, you can use tack solution. Tack solution contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. And both of these solutions, you would have to spray it onto your microfiber towel. So grab your slip solution, spray it onto your microfiber towel, and remove all the contaminants that the bezel may have, and also clean around the surrounding area just in case if the film does touch the paint or anywhere else, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And then once you're done with the prep, make sure that everything's dry. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down to the chrome. Okay, so this is going to be just a one-piece installation. So whatever you do on this end, you just repeat it to the other side. So with this one, just make sure you align it right on the curve here to make sure the chrome is being covered. Place the film, adjust and align as needed, work your way on one end and then work your way to the other end. Okay, once you place the film, grab your squeegee, start tacking everything down. Secure the flat area first, because right here there is a small finger, so we'll need to apply just a little bit of heat in order to tack it down and remove this finger without creasing it. So grab your heat device, apply heat where you see those fingers. Let the film cool down just a little bit and then start going side to side. You can also lift the film carefully. That way we help loosen the tension and apply heat once more. And then if we're anywhere else where you see fingers, just apply heat to seal them. And then for the edge right here, you will have excess material. So this excess material is to cover the inside of the panel right here. So in order to cover it, apply heat, hold the film. The film will loosen the tension, and then all you need to do is just slowly help it tack down around the curve. And that's pretty much it. Since it's not too much of the film that needs to cover the panel, it should be good. But just make sure before you trim, you apply heat. So it just needs to wrap around this corner here and you should be good. And then once you're done, then you could trim off the extra material. Okay, and that's pretty much it. And then once you trim off the excess material, the last thing to do will be to post heat. So once you finish with the entire installation for the front bezel, the last thing to do is to post heat everything. So you're going to need your heat gun or a hairdryer. Use the lowest setting on your device and apply heat evenly throughout the entire panel. Make sure you focus around the edges, that way the film doesn't lift over time. So take your time doing this process, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the front bezel chrome delete installation for the Genesis GV80. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. And don't forget to check out our other kits for the Genesis GV80. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.